Still with matters health, and health services were paralyzed in several counties after nurses downed their tools in protest of what they term as unfavorable working conditions. The nurses' strike kicked off in Homa Bay, Kisii and Bungoma, with the healthcare workers vowing to stay out of work until their demands are fully met. The Kenya National Union of Nurses and the National Nurses Association of Kenya have given the government a one-week ultimatum to address their grievances, or they will start a nationwide strike on the 19th of January. Mary Mwoki has the details.
The ever-familiar song, synonymous with the fight for better labor conditions, also signifies the start of withdrawal of critical healthcare services for thousands of patients who were left unattended after nurses downed their tools in protest of what they term as a blatant disregard of their CBAs by their respective county governments. This industrial standoff has left many patients in trouble.
Nilikuja hospitali na mgonjwa, na huyo mgonjwa saa zingine hawezi hata kuunua mguu, na wananitoa nje nikuwe nje na mgonjwa. Sasa naweza kufanya namna gani na huyu mgonjwa yangu hawezi hata kutibeba mkono?
Nurses in Homa Bay County have accused the county government of failure to honor their return to work agreement agreed upon by both parties in January last year. The nurses also accused their employer of exposing them to harsh working conditions and making statutory deductions on their payslips, but failing to remit the same to their respective entities.
Our strike has officially begun. We've written to the county of government to have our issues addressed. Issues ranging from one, failure of the county government of Homa Bay to honor and to fulfill a return to work agreement that we got into on January 2024.
We lack so many things, and we don't have things to help us assist you in serving you properly. That is, our working environment is not all that conducive to us.
The situation was similar in Kisii and Bungoma counties, with healthcare workers staging a walkout from their duty stations and leaving patients unattended.
And we are in it, and we are not turning back unless the county government start to engage us and implement the issues that we have raised.
Paka leo hii hakuna mtu ameita union kukaa chini waongee hiyo maneno. Chuguaguzi wasipokuwa kazini hakuna kitu kitaendelea hii county.
We want to urge the people of Bungoma to find services from other facilities, because we as nurses of Bungoma County, we are not going to offer our services until all our demands are met.
The Kenya National Union of Nurses and the National Nurses Association of Kenya have accused the government of systemic oppression and neglect of nurses, who say they are the least appreciated in the healthcare hierarchy, despite doing the heavy lifting in patient care. The two unions have threatened a nationwide strike from next week if the government fails to absorb UHC nurses on permanent and pensionable terms and offer clear career progression pathways, as well as standardized pay scales across counties.
Solidarity forever.
Mary Mwoki, Citizen TV.